another program in HTML by using a DOM scripting in it. So we are using a JavaScripting part in which we are writing a body, in which we are writing header, through which we are writing JavaScript program. So we are closing header, then we are writing another, that we are writing here is a p is equal to id. So id is we are writing a month, and here we are closing it, and then we are closing this, then p is also closing it. So after that, when we are closing a paragraph, we are coding that is a button, and we are writing on click. So this is an attribute, as you know, everybody. So we are writing this, and then we are writing about this is a inner HTML. So we are using a current date of the system, and then we are writing about a date of the system. Then we are writing close and close. So we are closing button, and then we are start scripting, where we are defining a variable d is equal to new date. So we are closing, again we are passing variable months. So we are writing a name of the month, that is we are writing inverted comma Jan, comma, that is we are writing next is Feb, then March. So here we are writing inverted comma and comma, oh, that is March. Then we are writing April, comma, May. So as we are writing, as you see months names, so we are closing, it's become an array, right? So whenever array is passing, we are writing that is said to be a document dot get element. So document dot get element by id. So that is the most important part, that is we are writing here, that is we are using that is id, and we are closing this id by using this is as we are mentioning here, that is the name of the months in the on click. So we are using this one. So this is a month of the years, we are copy as it is and pasting here, so that the our error we are never finding any error. So without any error, if you are not inverted comma in arrays using, so there is a problem you are facing, like so it will not display any value. You are writing this month, and you are closing. So we are writing at the end of this close it and full stop, and we are writing inner, we are writing it, that is a HTML, that is the most important part. So inner HTML, then we are using month, so that is a month. We are here it is by default writing, so we are using a month, and we are closing d dot get element. So d dot get month. So we are closing this function, we are closing, and we are closing script, then close body of the tags, and then HTML. We are save it, this program. So save save wherever you like to save, like suppose there is in a desktop, I will create a name that is said to be a my site. So I will click on this program. So here you are saving. I will put this name HTML. So name of the program is javascript.html. So save it. So put some another name, it's already used. So I have used javascript.html. We are using this option. So name is new dot html, right? So these are various options you are using. Save it and go on a run option. You are using this run options in which you are mentioning, you are using calling, you are select all files, and the name of programs is new to HTML. Open it, run. So this is a JavaScript program as you see in this program. So what we are facing there, that is we are using here, that is a on click. So we are not close this on click option. So we are close it and we again run, save and run it. So you will see this time it will show April and this is the month of the years. So in this way you will create a programs. So I'm using here that is on click, which is event handling, as you know, and get element by ID. So this is a program in which we are using elements as well as attributes and DOM, as you know, document object modeling. So this is a one program. So if you face any problem, email me.